Hi, buddy. I'm doing a little kangaroo care with Mommy, and he's wide awake.
You're a happy boy, aren't you?
He's just wide awake. He's feeling so much better.
Hey, we had a rough day yesterday, didn't ya? Yep.
Dumb IV got infected. Yeah.
What a good little boy you are.
Hi there, little man. You're smiling.
You smiling for your mom and dad? I like it. I like it a lot, little man.
Mama.
Hi. I got my little Luke and my big Luke right here.
Look at those eyes.
Such a big boy, aren't you? Yes. Oh, you're tickling me. Okay, he's tickling me.
Hi, LJ.
What do you do?
Aw. He's being cute.
He's being cute.
Looking around. Down your shirt. Just like that.
Turn him out soon.
His little couch.
He's got his eyes so open right now.
He got sick yesterday.
See, I got an infected pickling yesterday.
Oh, is that what it was?
Mm-hmm.
So they
Yes.
just took it out and now we're all good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well,
And we gave him some antibiotics.
antibiotics just really, perk him up. I know, because look at, yesterday, was it yesterday in the 40s or was it Tuesday?
Yeah, that was yesterday. That was bad.
Yesterday.
That was just yesterday.
I know, he's like a happy camper now.
Mm-hmm.
Wide awake. Great. He is loving that.
And he loves his mommy.
Yeah, he's my little man.
That's priceless.
The hardest thing
She
about
says,
this is you
I'm ready
can't
to
see.
go. Just stick him on
Yeah.
a portable oxygen tank. We'll just head home now.
I'll just keep him right in my shirt the whole time.
Exactly. Oh,
They just make it grow, right? Yeah.
oh, he's smiling. That's so cute. He's wide awake. Look at him.
You just moved your head.
I'm trying to see my mom.
Yeah. I know, I'm trying to see you too, buddy. That's why Dad's videoing it. Later we can watch it, okay?
He keeps smiling. Look at
He's
that.
adorable.
Oh my gosh.
Aww.
He is smiling like crazy.
What
Oh
can I
my
say?
gosh, look at his face. It's hilarious. He's like cracking himself up.
Get the hiccups again.
Huh?
Did you smell that?
They smell him.
I smell Mom, so you smell that. Good thing they came from Takioka.
Yeah, here's the smells on them. It smells good. I'm just like, oh.
This kid's gonna think that we smell like food all the time.
Yeah.
So go out, get some food, come back in.
Probably why he's smiling. Is he
Yeah.
like licking you?
Yeah.
He's like, he doesn't know what nationality we are.
Oh yeah, because you remember yesterday we were talking about egg rolls. So
Yeah.
he wanted an egg roll yesterday.
There we
so
go.
Today, I mean, it's just natural. He just
You
wants
got the
it.
hiccups, buddy. Yeah, you got the hiccups.
He's so stinking cute.
He's not squeaking though. I think it's so funny when he squeaks when he has the
He's like going
hiccups.
like this. His cheeks are.
Oh,
He's so sweet.
he's such a good little man.
He's a good boy.
Oh, there's the squeaker. There's the squeaker. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
You can hear him squeak.
Your little hiccups make you squeak, don't they, buddy? Yeah.
Alright, well, you precious yummy baby.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Oh, that was a loud one.
Let me know when you want your water, because I'm sure you're going to be wanting water.
Go ahead, because we had a mouthful of sodium all night long.
Yeah.
Soy and salt.
I'm free now.
Hiccup, hiccup. Oh, that was a loud one. Poor little guy. Dude, we don't like the hiccups, do we? What a sweetie.
Bye-bye, buddy. I'm gonna stop. We'll see you later.
Bye, Dad.